In this video, we dive into a question many iPhone users have asked over the years. Can you install iPA files on iPhone running iOS 26? The simple answer, yes, but with important caveats, limitations, and methods you should know. Installing iPA files on iPhone is not as straightforward as on some other platforms because Apple's ecosystem is built around security and control, and sideloading external apps has trade-offs. First, what is an IPA file? An IPA file is the package format used by iOS and iPadOS applications, essentially the app bundle. Normally, iPhone apps come from the official AltStore, but IPA allows distribution outside the store if the app is properly signed and installed via special methods. Over the years, several tools have emerged that allow users to sideload IPA files, that is, install them on their iPhone without going through the App Store and without jailbreaking. Examples of such tools are AltStore and Sideloadly. Through these tools, you can sign an IPA using your own Apple ID or provisioning profile and install it directly on your iPhone. For developers, another way is using Xcode to manually install the IPA. So what about iOS 27? As long as sideloading tools or developer mode methods remain compatible with the new iOS, installing IPA files remains possible. Historically, these sideloading tools have supported iOS versions from iOS 10 up through iOS 16 and above. There's no inherent restriction tied to a specific iOS 26 version, but compatibility of sideload tools depends on whether their developers update them. However, there are important caveats. First, when you install an IPA this way via sideloading, the app typically uses a developer certificate or provisioning profile. If the certificate is free, i.e., just a personal Apple ID, the app may need to be re-signed or refreshed every 7 days. Also, apps installed outside the App Store may carry security and stability risks if the IPA came from untrusted sources. Finally, there's a difference between sideloading a legitimate custom or open source app versus trying to install a pirated or modified app. The latter can violate Apple's terms of service, potentially expose your device to malware, and in many cases, the certificates can be revoked, rendering the app unusable. In short, yes, you can install IPA files on an iPhone running iOS 26, but only using sideloading methods like AltStore, Sideloadly, or Xcode, and only if the IPA is properly signed and you accept the limitations, certificate expiry, potential risks, re-signing. You cannot just double-tap an IPA in files and expect it to run like on Android. iOS remains more controlled and locked down than many other platforms.